Imagine this, you are in your 50s, your doctor sends you for routine health check, you feel fine, you have no symptoms, no chest pain, no shortness of breath. But when the results come back, your doctor says that one of the blood tubes in your heart is blocked. You're shocked. You think, how can that be? I don't even have symptoms. That's how many people first learn they have high cholesterol. So today let's understand what cholesterol is and what lipid profile checks for and how you can protect your heart before it's too late. Lipids are basically fat in your blood that your body needs to work properly. They help build cell walls, make hormones and store energy. There are three types of lipids such as triglycerides, phospholipids and sterols. Triglycerides is the main one and it helps you to store energy. Phospholipids help you to build strong cell walls. And third one is sterols. The most common one is cholesterol. Out of all this, we'll focus on cholesterol since it plays important role in heart health. Now your body makes most of its cholesterol in the liver. You don't need much from the food. But when the levels gets too high, that's when it becomes dangerous because that high or extra cholesterol start building up inside your blood.
A cholesterol test, also known as lipid profile, that checks how much amount of fat is in your blood. It looks at four main things: total cholesterol, the overall amount; LDL, the bad kind that clog the arteries; HDL, the good kind that help carry out the bad ones; and triglyceride. It is another type of fat that rises if you eat more calories than you burn. Too much LDL or triglyceride can block your blood flow. HDL, on the other side, help carry out the bad cholesterol away from the body. So you want that to be on higher side. Now your doctors mainly check this lipid profile for screening or monitoring cholesterol levels, but sometimes they use this lipid panel to diagnose certain conditions that affect the lipid level, such as pancreatitis, chronic kidney disease, as well as hypothyroidism. When there's too much LDL or a bad cholesterol in your blood, it sticks to your artery wall. Over time, it build-up makes the passage smaller and smaller. If one of these arteries get completely blocked, it can lead to heart attack or stroke. That's why your cholesterol test is so important. It will tell you what's happening inside your body long before you feel anything wrong. Here's what doctors like to see. Total cholesterol level should be below 5.5 millimole per liter. LDL should be below 2 millimole per liter if you have high risk or any other risk factors. HDL should be above 1.5 millimole per liter and triglycerides should be below 1.7 millimole per liter. These ranges can vary from country to country, so it's best to confirm with your doctor what target ranges apply to you. If you are healthy, get your cholesterol checked every 5 yearly once you turn 45. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, heart problem or kidney disease, get tested every year. Your doctor suggests more frequent testing if you are being treated for high cholesterol or other medical conditions that affect your heart health. Sometimes your doctor asks you to fast. That means no food for 8 to 12 hours before test, only water. It will give you more accurate results, especially for triglycerides. The test is very simple. A nurse or a pathology blood collector will take the sample from your arm and sends it to the lab. You will get your result in 1 to 2 days and then your doctor will explain what they mean. Your doctor will look at your cholesterol numbers along with your blood pressure, your age and family history. If your cholesterol is high, they might suggest some lifestyle changes, sometimes medication to bring it down. The goal is not just to fix the numbers, but it's to protect your heart and prevent future problems. Remember, your liver already makes the cholesterol you need, so eat smart and let your body stay balanced. And next time when your doctor asks for the cholesterol test, don't ignore it. That small blood sample could save your heart years before symptoms ever appear. Keep your numbers in check, eat well, stay active and look after your heart because you only get one. I have prepared a PDF that includes cholesterol value ranges and healthy food habits. You can read it for better understanding of your results and take control of your heart health. If you like this video, check out my other videos on lab reports and subscribe for more simple health tips.